Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna unlock the device first. So we're gonna begin by swiping down from the top of our screen. Now you want to do it from the right side, as this is where the toggles are, and somewhere down here we should have our hotspot. So let's see if I can find it. It's right here for me. So once you see this toggle, first time around I'd recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when enabled, and also you have the option to change the randomly generated password. I recommend actually doing this, as the password here is, as you can see, pretty bad. So I'm gonna set up my own. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and you can just click on OK to save it. You also have the option to change things like the AP band right here, most likely. Yep, right over here. But I recommend keeping it as it is if you don't know what this is. And you can also change the timer for turning off hotspot automatically when it's not being used. I might recommend changing this to 10 minutes, but I wouldn't recommend turning it off. Anyway, from there we can close this. Let's find the toggle once again, and this time around just simply tap on it to enable it whenever you want to use it. And that's about it. So once you're done using it, you can either wait for the timer to turn it off automatically, or you can do so yourself by clicking on the toggle once again. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.